Get into the 2020 Toyota Corolla. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.